check it out. All these lantana planters are starting to look beautiful. Planted these a couple months back. Bunch of succulents in the middle that we're gonna have to remove and put somewhere else because client's watering a lot. So the lantana is just like triple growth. It's already filled in the planters. It was supposed to fill in a year, and now we want it to go forward. So we're gonna put maybe the succulents in the backyard or in some place where it hasn't filled in yet, like maybe over here where there's gazanias and ice plant, because they're a little bit slower growers. The lantana just drinks as much water as you'll give it. You see there's all these aeoniums and stuff in here that haven't been able to grow well because of the overarching lantana. But that's not really an issue because the succulents can be planted and they look good anyways, competing with the lantana. You can see over here we got some gold, some purple, some white over here. Look real good. I was bummed that day because we couldn't get multicolored red. It's like red, yellow, orange, but still looks pretty good. Maybe just got to thin out the lantana a bit and transplant some of the other stuff somewhere else so that it can prosper as well. Look at this tree, beautiful flowering tree. Avocado's doing good, cherry's doing good. This project we did a couple months back, pretty nice. Come and do maintenance every once in a while. I like seeing how stuff looks every time we come. Gets better and better. These mulch piles in the front will be full of lantana in like 6 months, watch. Catch you guys later.